Video Caller ID is the latest evolution of Truecaller's famous caller ID. You can set a video that will show when you call people in your contacts. To start, you can access this from the main settings. There are some community guidelines that you need to adhere to, so make sure to read this carefully. Now's your chance to be creative. Make something that your contacts will remember. You can make it up to 10 seconds long. It will loop when you call people, so think about creative ways to show yourself. You can also choose from this selection of Video Caller ID templates. For Video Caller ID settings, head to Settings from the main menu. Under Caller ID, you can enable or disable your Video Caller ID. You can also choose whether or not you would like to see the Video Caller ID of those in your phone book.